My name is Craig Wells, I'm Sales Director at Quelfire, here today on a construction site in London to support Ark Fire Protection with their programme of continuous professional development. Competency is obviously a key word in the industry, and keeping everyone at the forefront of regulations but also tested solutions that are available is absolutely critical. So it's great to be supporting a third-party accredited firestop contractor who is taking fire safety, life safety seriously, and it aligns very much with the core values that we have at Quelfire too. Whilst at Quelfire we are ultimately a manufacturer and supplier of passive fire protection products, knowledge and resource is absolutely crucial to our installers and customers. So as part of the CPD today, we provide an overview of not only the products and some of the key considerations for achieving compliance, but also some of the more wider picture stuff, so understanding even what intumescent is, the importance of understanding compartmentation, and linking it to tragic events that have occurred. So we're all aware of some of the high-profile fires, which have ultimately changed people's perception of fire safety for the better, which is great. So, as I say, great to be supporting Ark Fire Protection with trying to do what is right, protecting people and property. Collaboration is absolutely critical in the construction industry, and yet again this is another great example of a company, Ark Fire Protection, that are aligned with our perspective at Quelfire. So we're collaborating, obviously sharing knowledge, and it's been really great to get questions from some of the operatives and installers and contract managers, if you like, all levels of the organisation. So lots of questions is always a really great sign to me. We talk about competency. Competency is about knowing what you know, but it's also about knowing what you don't know. So a really good sign when you see people asking lots of questions and wanting to see the evidence for details. So collaboration is key, and something we really strongly endorse. We've been working with Ark Fire Protection for a number of years, and in an industry where things are ever changing and evolving, it's important that we have close collaboration. So we look forward to maintaining our relationship, our already good relationship, into the future.